All right, new toy. Got a Metabo HTP 18 volt brad nailer. The model number is NT1850DF. A little nervous about the unboxing. Box is a little crushed, but let's give it a shot and see what we got. So we don't need this anymore. Alright. Well, we got some free safety glasses. It's kind of a nice touch. Probably not going to be using those much, but have my own, but here we go. Brushless. I don't know if you can see this. It's got an indicator on here for nail sizing, power on, all that jazz. Let's get a battery in here. First things first, put some 18 gauge brad nails in there and see what happens. Well, we got a trigger lock. That's a nice feature. Metabo sends their batteries with 0 charge. All right, so as you can see, got the green power light, battery light's not lit, which means it's fully charged. Solid blue light means one nail at a time. Flashing blue light means fires on contact when you hold the trigger down. So we're gonna do single shot first. Drives them just below flush. Nice. Now let's try on contact. Interesting. Flush on contact does not drive them quite as deep as manual mode. And then the couple sticking up is me not knowing what I'm doing with it. So far, so good. Nice tool. A smidge heavy to be slinging all day. It's, you know, plastic frame and everything. Not uncomfortable heavy, but heavier than you might have guessed. Something I'll give, let me see if I can get it open, but it looks like, yeah. Let's give Metabo credit. Oh, it does have a light on the end so you can see what you're doing in low light situations. But let's give Metabo credit. That is a big ass bag and has way more than enough room for the charger, the battery, the nailer, extra batteries. Some of the other, now that's what, I've never done this with a Metabo drill, but this bag is huge. Some of the other guys, like, you know, my DeWalt drills, I'm not complaining per se, but the bags are so small that you can't get any extra crap in it, and I usually chuck the DeWalt bags and carry them in something different, but this one I'll probably hang on to. It holds a lot of stuff. So that's it for our unboxing. Oh, no, it's not it. Okay, so let's go back over what I missed. The charger. The charger, well, it's full still. When the charger came on, when I was charging the battery, there is a fan in here. It's not ridiculously loud, but you do notice it. Using it in your workshop, outside, construction site. It's not like you can't talk or anything, but you do notice it. Mine's a small home workshop in the basement, so I did kind of notice the sound, but it's not ridiculous or anything. I'll try to get some footage of that after I use this some more and maybe drain the battery enough that I can get a clip so you can hear the battery. And it did come with the holster belt loop clip hanger for your tool belt. Check in with you after we've had some time for a little bit longer term testing. I'm just going to cut out a couple of pieces of scrap wood here. We'll put the Metabo through its paces a little bit and see what we can, see what we come up with, see how it acts. Okay, yeah, I just drilled a couple holes, and now I'm gonna mark them tangent line to the hole and cut it out, so I've got a nice slot to put a holder in there for the rolls of tape. Yeah, we're just gonna hit these on the bandsaw real quick. Take that little notch out. Bandsaw's making a wee bit of noise there. I might have a bearing going bad. Now I'm just going to put some glue on these and use the new brad nailer to brad them together. Nope. That's backwards. That needs to be this way. And I got glue flipping everywhere. Would you fucking look at that? Damn it. Would you look at that glue? Son of a... Well, that's going to have to be sanded. Damn it. Yeah, the Metabo works great once you turn the damn thing on. The Metabo, I'm really happy with the purchase. I also like how well it stands up nice and well balanced on the battery. Makes it really handy to grab it, keep it out of the way, but easily accessible. That's not going anywhere. The only thing I found about the whole thing that I noticed after the fact, that charger that you see in the background, it is not designed to be mounted to the wall. I'm pretty sure you could figure out a way to mount it to the wall with some Velcro or some zip ties or something. And the other thing I think I failed to mention is this is what Metabo calls one of their multi-volt tools. And you can use a number of other batteries in the tool to get much longer usage in between charges. Yeah, I'm literally putting way more nails than this thing needs just because it's fun to play with this thing. Now, does this fit like a glove? And there's the hanger for either your tape, which is what I'm using it for. I also made it the right width so that you could make that a paper towel dispenser as well. Now we got a tape dispenser, or as the case may be, paper towel dispenser, tape dispenser, whatever you might need. Get some screws and get that mounted. Maybe we'll let that glue dry just a smidgen beforehand, but well, I tell you what, that thing sinks some nails pretty damn well.